Hello, welcome to our tutorial on product grids. Displaying featured collections or upcoming collections to your customers is a challenging task. From the marketing point of view, you have to attract your customers' attention and motivate them to make a purchase. With Swipecart, you can effortlessly display any products of priority to your customers. How? Click App from your Swipecart dashboard. Select Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. Select Product Grid from the Widget panel drop-down. As you click it, the Widget panel will list different UI variants to display your product collections. Drag and drop a suitable variant to the design section. First, let's add/edit content. You can add the products to the grid in 3 ways. When you customize it, you can choose any one of the 3 options. However, you cannot use any 2 or all 3 at the same time. 1. Product from the drop-down, you can select and add suitable products to complete your grid. As you select a product, the product image loads on the Upload an Image section. Once you have added the required products, click Save. 2. Collection, to add products using the collection option, select a collection from the drop-down. It will automatically retrieve the associated products. Your collection may have several products. Use these filters to display only the featured ones. Here, enter the number of products you want to display. Under the sorting field, choose the parameter based on which you want the products to display. For example, if you add 5 as the number of products and choose Best Selling as the parameter, the top 5 best-selling products will appear in the grid. Ensure that you add at least 2 products for the grid to activate. Click Save. 3. Recently, this is a dynamic method that lists the products recently viewed by the customer. You can configure this section with these 2 fields. Minimum viewed product. Here, you can fill in the number of times should the customer view a product for it to appear in the grid. In the maximum number of products to show field, you can enter the number of products you want to show to your customers. Click Save. You have added the products to your product grid. Now, let's customize the style of the product grid. As you make changes in the Edit Style window, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Here, alter the radius, padding, and container padding. In the widget title section, add a name for the product grid. You have the option to customize the widget title. You can customize the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight. Expand the Customize Images section. You can personalize the images to fill, cover, or contain each product. Here, you can adjust the width and height of your images. Enable the image padding toggle to adjust the padding. You can also change the color of the padding from here. Using text control, you can choose to clip or wrap the text of your products. The background column lets you add custom colors or images to the product grid. On selecting color, you can add color to your grid. Click Image to upload an image for your grid. Click None to not have any image or color. Expand the product data section to configure the information made available in the product grid. Here, you can choose to display vendor/brand name, product title, Add to Cart button. Enable the product price toggle to display the price information in different formats. Say you are running a sale, you can use this functionality to display the original price and the offer price. As this is a dynamic field, copy/paste the price variables to the text field. Each box has a copy icon to copy the variables. To show the price with strike-through, enable this toggle. By enabling this toggle, you can display the selling price along with the original price in a strike-through format. Turn on the Display Compare Price First toggle to display the original price first before the selling price. Enable Show Tag to display tag. You can choose a style from these variants. Also, you get to change the font color, background color, and position of your tag. In the Choose variant, add a tag. Please note that if you enable the strike-through display, your custom price tag display format becomes disabled. Next, let's see how to display tags. Enable the Product Tags toggle. After that, configure the position of the tag. To add shadow to your grid, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Enable the infinite scrolling toggle to see the content in sequence without waiting for it to load. Save the changes. To duplicate your product grid, hover over it and select Copy Block. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. To change the style variant of your product grid, select Edit View by hovering over it. Here, you can change the view. You can also remove this block by clicking Remove Block. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the product grid on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your product grid on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with using widgets in your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.